Welcome to ISSA. We're glad you're here. You'll log in to access your courses at issatrainer.com. The best browser to use is Google Chrome for the optimal online experience. And if you're using an iPad or a phone, be sure to download the Brightspace Pulse app from the App Store. You'll enter your email address and your password here on the login page and then hit Submit. When you log in, you'll see a pop-up for our priority recruitment tool. This is a great way to submit your information if you're looking for employment as you get certified. It's never too early. To do this, you can hit the Continue button and update your contact information and credentials. Otherwise, you'll hit the X to make this pop-up go away.
Now you're on the home page. Below, you'll see a list of all the courses you enrolled in, as well as the expiration dates. But before we get there, let's take a look at the menu across the top. The Study Aids tab has quite a few resources, including the ISSA bookstore, where you can purchase physical textbooks and even exercise libraries and glossaries. The Career and Business tab has information about setting up your free student website and information about personal healthcare coverage and liability insurance.
The Policies tabs talks about things like continuing education requirements and CPR requirements, as well as frequently asked questions. The Professional Division tab is where you can find information about ordering branded business cards, continuing education, and even get ISSA apparel. Personal trainer forms can also be found here. The NCCPT exam tab just gives you more information about taking any accredited exams that you might have access to.
Finally, the My Account tab is where you can access your account information. You can update things like your address, your social media handles, and your phone number or your password. Please note that name changes cannot be done from this page. If you'd like to change your name, please email support@isssaonline.com. You can also access a spot to upload any documents that you need to submit to ISSA, see your order history, and access the priority recruitment tool. Let's head back to the homepage and log into a course.
Let's check out the Certified Personal Training course. To access the course, you'll simply click on the name of the course. It brings you to a home page. On the left, you'll see a menu, which will take you to the course materials. On the right, you can see your course expiration date, meaning the date you need to take your online exam by, a link to access the final examination, and a link to send us proof of your CPR and AED if you have not done so already.
You'll see a description of the course, as well as how to reach support in the middle of the page. There's even information on the CPT Bootcamp, which we'll talk about in a moment.
You'll click on Guided Study, and it will redirect you to the New Learning Hub. If you scroll down, you'll see each of the modules of the course. You can go through the modules in any order you like, but we recommend that you start at the beginning. You'll also notice a progress tracker on the right, which helps you understand what you visited and how much you've gone through in the course, and you'll see helpful links below the progress tracker. Here, you'll find links to access things like the Help Center, a great place to answer nearly any question you have about your course, the technology to access your courses, payments, books, recertification, and more. The ISSA bookstore is linked here, ISSA's main website, and you can get information on CPR or follow us on social media.
The Getting Started module is a great place to start. This is where you can learn more about the program policies, how to navigate your course in the site, and how to maintain your certification. There's even information on how to contact student support should you have any questions. As you go into each of the guided study modules, they break the course up into manageable pieces. You'll see the chapters to read in each module. You'll see the videos that accompany those chapters, and you'll also see a quiz to help you test your knowledge as you learn.
You need to complete the first quiz for the second quiz located in the second module to become available. You can also access your quizzes by clicking on the Assessments tab at the top of the page. Only the quizzes you have completed or have access to will appear here, but once you've completed quiz 1, you'll be able to move on to the next quiz right here on the page.
let's take a look at the CPT Bootcamp tab. Bootcamp is a great resource designed to identify and teach you the key concepts for the course with the guidance of ISSA professionals. When you click the CPT Bootcamp, you'll see information about how it works and when the sessions are. Below that, you'll see access to the Zoom links for the live calls if you're able to join us, and you'll also see a link for the pre-recorded bootcamps and the pre-recorded office hours should you like to watch them on demand. Please note that not every ISSA course offers a bootcamp.
Many ISSA courses have additional sections near the bottom of the course materials. The CPT course includes an exercise library and an awesome resource for mastering program design that's available to you at any time during and after your certification process. We recommend clicking on them, exploring the resources in each tab, and then returning to them when you're ready. The Downloads tab for this course gives you access to things like the full textbook, information for taking the accredited examination if you choose to do so, and some forms and resources discussed throughout the course material. You're welcome to use the forms and resources with clients, and it should be noted that the PDF textbook is searchable. Simply download the file, open it on your computer or device, and use the search function, Control F, and type in the keywords you're looking for.
The final examination for this course is also online. You'll click on Final Examination, and you can access it here once all quizzes have been completed.